And another for and so you're a trading Yankopomasi. I don't mind my yen so you're so tiasi. And I that radio CC, my Inspire TV, time with pastors. And a young also for Pombia, and anybody trim come on, Yamian to me, Homobro, at Dominic was a no ho. Now, yen Danny home by a bar, a da, me a ho, and Eddie Achero. Trevi and Kobe be a fruby, no being fruby, said, and what's about some swatting. Pastors and as you know, of a pombi a share and a mere doom, a dominant was running in Munyamo, you came in Munyama and Yano, one year can't do my Adonazo, Yabeko, the enemy papa out of Chincomo. Mamma Nabuni, Diachim, you are, and I send me be a Shibia. Oh, you to win my banady, a yepi, you could be a woman, Yamanin Jerry, Pazi as a edger. You want to about Inspire TV.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, as a never partner. Yes, I actually. But my car from us in this year. And one, I go with Cobolo. And that probably so moody. By the other young couple was it. Eja, Ubudi, one also for Daniel.
Okay. But they saw for Daniel. Quao Akon.
For all your Fantiniana.
May a fancy appearance.
Okay, I appeal for.
It's Akon, and
fancy.
Because Fantin to me to Akon.
As a Oka, a appearance will be a near Gibisa, and a cameraman about you. Say, only new crew to can't say we are permanent.
Your own gentleman.
And one woman in Munyam Abbas was it, and then be a bizarre crew was who free. Winning new crew. When you and then the ways your grooming, while I know you also for embrenity. Embre so for Akon a yenipa bay or your wine free and that.
Okay, so for Akon a abemu be a mobile so now then a friend from Craft and now on now the mobile so Astra and go. May married to Mrs. Ebichumwa Amayao. And Sisia no ye Pel Akon. Sia Mrs. Pel Akon. And may call a sorrow Christian Life Mission Church. I will actually go to my Josina area. And if she educum yapem. Educum yapem.
Yeah, from Fanti and account. Yeah, my fight friends with you.
Fantes so a Gomwa de go. Where they go. Yeah. See, that's it.
Okay, also for say another day, now when you are to also for being in saying you may and I took off for us when you call for your call for and very big and I'll buy them in Germany.
Okay, my friend is saying, a friend a buyer and Casana. Mission you need not. Me wo that kind of zeal some person in me Juma me so for me and but na me need interest was sorry me pass sorry yeah me kwa sorry na say maybe anyum because me penyum
okay
ti nyum na twetwe me kwa sorry kakakra eti me benya zeal some person me so for but to baby no me SS do me pen face kakra me so chale ya say there and asofudi no go mudi no me hu anything attractive e bebe kom obi aga na ye den ye say na hu kaka chale why not have life and then me pem sikebi me idea and I me pursue other ventures until say 2007 okay 2007 me call program B that program has mostly about 700 me call drama okay
what drums
program yeah
okay
now me planning me vision is the drama and be quite me person me bo integrity music US me ade you know just me sua ade planning any ma be bring vision into say program say na me ba by the grace of God no and then CC you know I was invited to such a program one of these programs me call me minister ye bibia wi aye sorry no me telegram lechi and I invite the guest speaker no abra sorry so ba be kasa no woje mic no wa ma any salutation say we are una host me ba the first time about church woje mic ne pe no say walk down the aisle receive pastor phone man antimo ntimi so yes me dem sorry if you the instrumentalist dey most sometimes na yeah no correction preaching and once I ba yeah we are go pray
correction dey na mo nta
say me kwa point unfortunately say fortunately or unfortunately me sorry no na me na see be a friend pedal kick yeah e kick down kunsun esi no na edem ho so ye speakers no say gum
okay
na so for no dan ni chi no so abrantia sorry so we nim say we anya odwuma kwa na twene ya obo no me see that me so na me ferry ade one thing no aha me ferry ade pint bi jam nya na me ferry no so me see me nim no so okay wodwuma pa obeye no e nya me dwuma we nya me ni pa kese pa na ogina ho sa see you na asementi na beta na ase okwa no sa dani na chi bi mo say I was sorry se wa nya me dwuma onye yie da etina fe ferry nti na me payire duro dwane me nya kama yira pa because obi eni hwe me eti asoro no epon se ki kra me si abonte no la me ko hwie ba na mo da personal relationship with Nyankopon because me dengo sa na ebo me twene nti me start rehearsals be anaje be 12 na sha mpa ba se be 4
okay
4 no na my me warm ups ni ade bon me nti me ni nya me da personal relationship
try bonus na mo warm ups
me the iron rods be me sasa be me sa be fast me use iron rods na some about 6 so
board training for how many years
to India me say from 99
eh yana ja wani
from 99
I come about for 97
you were joining from 99 and we grew one me bought from church aba and I me be ra secular ball yes me but some of that
I say when I need to for could dem be nanti
yeah still your musician groups near there you still me don't cool near there but for one or two reasons if you meet me but some of them you know my secular artists in near there
okay first obanya me dwuma no when we wonder say obefanya me dwuma we je you know
yeah na me kasa me ka be see me calling so no won abra me fee I saw them when I me go fee no me go chin Nyankopon say me ne ye free bibi ni an go frame na me kasa wa frame na say what me go Nyankopon ni my me say dey so embarrassing it me fasting 3 days first day ni me hu hwe nti second day no second day na match na me nya vision say obi dey me nya call na me the phone e brem me phone na call na ka tie nti na my basa because na I used to see a lot of visions
as a drama no
as a drama na me person nti ka say the enti ha me say me nya me fine nti the ogo here was na my basa nti on the fasting na third day no me say who said the same vision say me the phone e ba but what they do here na call ID no e na was on a blank no a man of God so I just say enti me fire me pick here no voice na me kasa ni deep asun e kasa penalty
was it in vision or
in vision
okay
by around 4 am I'm watching enti me sorry anopa na I used to study the Bible on Bible na kasa e kasa to me enti me te one anopa na be 9 nim pepe 9 am anopa me study Bible no pe e na me kasa chem straight ko dem ko bon pae
wow
enti me nante be fiti me obi porch so na mete na a compound house enti me fi nipa no koye de me bie me trap door no me bie me trap door na Nyankopon gina ho physical
wow
and ono na obi nshadante ase ba na o ye friend no the angel of the Lord nya metumi dane ne ho in the way I always me hia na hu ba we hu nipa kro te se won kai the animal wo hia ye no
eno se na Nyankopon dane no ho ye na abofo bi o me ya asofo mi abofo ni e be ka se no so ye okay aja a friend ejuma na in fact e me hu as a drama having an encounter with God to me hu na de and hwe me brun yi bi o mo board drums ni ade o wale ya che
damn
wow wale wanya 1 year wow the obenya medwuma na on wale no how was the challenges
na ni nyina si frɛ no so
sure
na ma bon to fa no asi baby a me hia me hu ogina ho no me ogina na business me kwa na me se me kwa de makobon pai ma se me ko bon se de asem na ka chen se ba sama waka ni nyina na no nheki
sure
yeah akasa ya no bi on na no bi
okay
enti okasa some so wura fitimiti be simi na ase
wow
so I can say
kopon kasa
okasa sa na ye okasa ewura mi ti be simi na ase na ma ye free me ti nka enti oya na say me kwa me simi ko bon pa na so okay dey na ase na me chance o manya ko say ni sense no so okay one na ma story din man of God on phone so I'm saying you be on phone so say holy spiritual father and the pastor no say then me scroll through before you na me you be no catch me say phone ya wan dey am say me dey so me from my fro that's all me huni bi and man think as me bomb pie ni bi
okay
until within that 3 days no after me share no encounter no untumi mbe me be show physical it's back bomb pie ni bi
wow
so from there no me be nya ahoden so for nyamejuma na fi me hu say adwuma dey medjuma ni enti challenges ne ba me nim say this I'm called for this enti me to me indulge
okay
so what the American say enti challenges ne there a whole lot of challenges from when say masem
okay
ABC sikasem abrabo nsem abusua na abusua mu ahohom ampe nyamesom ne ade so challenges ne all over eba baby about the only bedrock ne say nyame choose wa frel so everything it takes to win the outcome
Abusua ya mapaba eba town pastors komona yede na bia eye wu na no wan so so as a drama na nyakopon ni in fact mama dem abrabo adwuma ne to chacha no mo hwe bibie ba ne abra ne ye konne wo the challenges are ye papa efesi but obasan to aso de amaye ye ka wo say Inspire TV e wo dwuma di bi ye ne de bia from Monday up to Friday. Mondays no live worship 12 to 2 ayafa Facebook in the fato every Monday be na Thursdays so your Tuesdays your time with pastors live or Inspire TV. Wednesdays you try live programs or Bishop Tender asori o ye program na person we try one Inspire TV ye win na Friday so entertainment bars and so ehye na nyame adoma Thursdays so there was street quiz ye dwumaje ne doso for we dwedi e bra ne mo hu de room fama o ye asori na o ye program the ba be try more free na emum pani focus me say do ye me hwehwam de no on pepa ne nsakwa tewati asiye yankoni ne papa ento anko mo twetwe so eda emo akwa ba biu abra ne yakoni wo the challenges but now you were seeing something the challenges that you were facing ne yankopon ne wo nti na o kan bi say oni yankopon yankita ho na pi physical obi aso mu ana say bi na ayde no
okay Sena American ejuma we no because of friend buy no nyame kasa tumi wo
sure
ma wa ho odin odon ma ho toso ne kasa ne mfeli
okay
na excuse me challenges that you face here na doso as young guys are yes so can say because secondary school primary opportunity to go to the boarding school I sorry said that be okwa wan e be bo ni ade enti so okodi thinking say anka me call dey na me call no kra me support and as somebody am miskai aye no omo anye ba popi break it down kakra nti na say afini mama ba be yeden uko school a we nye ska we go school also do nya me juma no me ade eti no edu sa na we start say gift no wo di bedidi so I say ebi no omo kan shabo no omo kan no enye instrumentals na yeye
okay
enye instrumentals na yeye for instance asora kwato instruments wasora kwato ye software kwato na wo ben ma sorry
okay
wonso ni abofo wonso be so obobi enti me obehu ni se me kire won crop at the same time so sere me say se me bo me de ni wi a me be bo support so I say enti omo na ye ni yempenya me say I say yempenya me say mo ye ntina sorry ko wa wo so pa me chowe me ma afi me fi won na me say ba wa say shabu ye bo shabu what I say
so for na nchiri mu ya
asefo omo na ye omo na chire ye
ana ma say ya ji shabu na
because ya ye bo ni sha ye ndo so enti me mo asori me at the same time enti because e bia me ma sorry no me point am na say ma sorry no ye president worship this time ye wi a na ma fa ho aba be board ya ma ho e bi kura me sofo kasa sama me yes but wo hu me who say it is between us sofo na yi
asofo mu be ku ye mbra no wodi ye ko sunsun ye re sunsun mo kakra na ye mbra so for society I can feel the presence we will be up in papa na aside that na nyame djuma no ye djuma bi kan obi wa na se nyame djuma nko
yeah me ye djuma kan me head personnel
okay
my work health field for almost 11 years yes
and nyame djuma no so why for how many years
for long
yeah because you share asofo obi no what's your secrets because I can feel the presence anytime we are mishia or in Bible Castle, the way I would do for what's the secret behind it? Because
secret thing and I said secret for it's open. But open secret.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can say I didn't know said Nina sorry and a samba ebeto Christos. So yin to me just or no. And she said, me no to me be able to me the idea of friends I mean dia and they mean no but because me need to me be able to offer me say me then I say me depend on and the dependence in it comes in by prayer fasting and the word of God no never me saying and the bia ni pardon no to because we monam we or hadwin ono onye born again
okay
osunsun na born again
okay
wadwen na born again nti wo ye wo foforo kra wo ba yesu mi a wo foforo kra na wadwen no miema obi akofiri na bia na wontu ayi na guso odwen sa adwen no e wo hostel what I say
aya o kan we say monam we nya born again
ono nya born again
Bible say you need pedua so ye Christ sorry that
na sorry that
nti e ba ne say na because say me be for Christ say honam na me dey for Christ
until honam what sunsun Holy Spirit HS
okay
lives in your human spirit because what one we sunsun
okay
but what in pedua mu na what in pedua ni pedua no e wo fi and I will adwen that is okra so
okay
so as I say when you relate intellectually say na utimi kasa utimi dwen utimi yesi and na utimi reach wo contact with immediate environment what did I make an say we sunsun number 1 o possess okra wo okra ba wo nya okra
okay
and I would need pedua into when you need pedua no so I say
okay obi nso be busa say okay so what can say enya kra we and say me to me the mini pedua na ko bobre bia because yakopon o hwe kra no we ni pedua
dabi on say o hwe sunsun o say nyame te ha o hwe tete temple na oye ntamadan na oye no ye wo the outer court
okay
ye wo the holy place and at the holiest of holies so I just say the outer court no the flesh way
okay
so for me to say me to me obetumi a contact nyankopon no o the main first scenario way and to me scenario we na simple no obi a otie hu for instance nyankopon oti mi mu but oti mi sunsun ye born again mi sunsun nyame onkokre ye baako ewom enti me penyame me ametu mi sunsun enti say me fitumi everything nyame ni through my spirit enti say me go through the body through the soul number be do spirit no and that is where prayer and fasting anyway ebem enti not sunsun ni mo abe control me pedua no but whereas when I'm more control the pedua na my born who say nipa no oye nyam sunu nipa wa oye born again nipa but wa top money mu because when am no e di ne so that I say
Pano nyame so nipa I love that word now so mana to boni eya yembra wonema from me before na wale you know I had on a friend the hot treats and the na krano the ba we dey e so we boss ba Inspire TV eya abra na wale you know nyame so how did you face the challenges because there was a young man now fanya midjuma ho hwe we adwuma doctor heba doctor na wo up and down heba obi nyanya corporate so how do you face that challenges and no
okay to come to that in my young corrective because of go for tie on tranko menya heba doctor okay head personnel all right that's okay
on the thing by
that's fine all right panel such challenges here now catch say honam
okay
me see so no edu baby maybe SS me cousins contain member kwa it's a boys life one one day obi esua boys life but now me ni sa akoko there's something in me maybe be a it's a bad me can say I with there that thing has been there now and nyame protection the bomb because of the way nyame display the gifts me to me and I attract a lot of people and manage the chap who tell me nyame friend got almost 7 girls. Was it 7? I'm more girls in class 7.
Tell me I'm in here day.
Time of friend and I can't tell me I'm friend and I'm almost 7 girls. So I just say,
I don't know someone. I need the whole truth. I also for my young fan as I'm now question or trust what my example. So tell me I'm a friend and can't know say Eddie.
Yes,
that 4 a year. Or something at 7 and they were jay or wale. Srong. Kwame Adams, Tiwoma Bay, your friend say, me are Fathom you. So, how did you control that 7 years?
Say, I'm friend by and now, I'm a cousin, money, I'm up myself. But I say, I saw Obia say, I want to have this guy, me idea. And then say, I'm a shut that but me, who say, no, my wish and young, my wish I put on into my catch himself as a send I guess here, in which me call catch us off say, right here, pen. So, catch us off so just an uncle way, and yes, you bar. I oba a baba catchers, and then me baby. When catch it, now catch us off the sofa. Me say my bush put ADHD. It is a mommy to me they say you say now what I say you say now me take advantage ombe prame so what I say it nyame na na domo so any bible no ankasa no I started say omo ankasa jetum say this guy is called nyame afra akwa nyame afra and omo nyina no so omo mo osisi no omo nyina me spiritual daughters.
Wow.
They all serve our ministry.
Wow. When you try your my Bible be successful. So ranka so national. And I said we should be asi. Now make I say I inspire TV time pastors. Monday your live worship, Tuesday time with pastors. Wednesdays we stream live Jesus House Pentecostal Ministry. Thursday live worships. Friday a friend say entertainment bars no. I mean I my Kwame Adams a team and also yeah, the bro. Oh, you made enough to say about the ra. The fire or solid wedding. The BBR in spite of the by end of the year, by will be also for say. Or nationally, because we'll be say, also for national way, because in come one day. When the papa will see and goes and part, we share a meeting for, and what share Yami Juma Yeni. There were the Yamia friend, any Wakushia, and there would Wakosere, a way dear with Sampa. He is man of God. May down on what is here. Friday, so for ya so Friday and panopa. Baby we say no one say was so and Friday or chima. Friday you be twa asori one way adwuma nko pon de papa we me we also akwa baby. Yeah. Friend say na ye ko na ye pese bi say wo wan kasa wan sole ana say we should be as o head asori na baby say because you show ufie ha mo ne asofo mo de ngosire guzo a nka wo wa sole ana say.
Okay, see, I'm the member say minimum sorry.
Okay.
Minimum customer so mission so for you that sorry I say to Vision International. Mission or na mission I say. Okay. Na me wo nyame adom ntino the minister different places. That Jenny was antino. Me someone said nyame catch them 70 sorry there. If you want grace to sit me share them pe fakotrani adesa so for now ne dey me mass sorry but I want to say me ankasa personal sorry. I just say me media the way our church net here.
Days Ben we are sorry because we be people we say omo papa we are sorry days Ben we are sorry na day Ben na wo gina platform na kan ni pay mu say ampa ye wo de nyame afrem na ye wo de wakosua
and but there's no way to prove improve here sure. The only thing is I mean the church said I mean they prove no but man sorry no Christian Life Mission just am sure no share ye meeting this near Wednesdays Bible studies serious intense evening share 6:30 to 8 ɛna nyame adom so a Friday na yɛwɔ 2 prayer services yeah anopa no yɛyɛ 9 to 12
okay
anopa no 9 to 12 ɛwɔ Christian Life Mission asɔre hɔ ɛna enyimire so no 8 to 10 yɛhyia enti anytime obi ɛwɔ around and I say of na kon do so be bɔ mpae no special na Sunday services na dia 2 yɛwɔ 7:30 to 9 on your English church no and 9:30 to 11:30 Akan church no
so for actually baby I'm not sure on dinner ho asho on dinner banyame frɛ no di sa also section the more so for obey in fact main show banyame adma Friday hwɛ yɛne also for kwakwaya aso the Friday it's a wo fear baby I will be a person oni also for enye nkita ho ewo mpaebo mu ewo nyamesemu ewo nchirechire mu ewo bibibia le mu me be pese so for the number betudwa to mo ase or the number betudwa o prepare the number Doris to mo ase the number betudwa ba wale me se so for wale o hwe mo ka so wale o ya master e jam pocho betumi certificate na kire wo mu
we do mo fanya hwe
we do mo fanya ba o say say we do mo fa nya hwe ba na men kai wo say asori no wo Madina asalabotwi udu Madina asalabotwi also pe kai ko Zoom live na wonya du Zoom live a o se wo pe a friend live mission and as ENC hotel no ENC hotel no wonya du ENC hotel and no bo opposite we sa so dan kakra udu ma be bushik e wa so dan e wa so dan what I say ti am ya ma okuwa da be ya asole e wo anure e kire na nyame ya adma fiada no pan so ye asore 9 to 12 na enwumre no so 8 to 10 so ye asore brabi kwasiada no pa ye na ye pebrofo no ye na ye pebrofo te semi no me petwi ba say no maba first and second service ba ye be pese osofo ade ni telephone number e betudwa be bibiala owo he is free we ye sofo open no the service and friend of phones friend and each one ya friend di ma de ni di se no to what I say be person so be person wo de wo telephone number betudwa ama for na wa ken crash asem akire wo bia afi no obanya medwuma ni mu no wo tu obi for ade amaye be be sima mienu bia akai
so my number 0245 23 1422 0245 23 1422 masan kakra me waka kire etiefo ne ahwefo nyina ne se moma yenya hotoso nyankopon na yenuanom so a nyame afre ya ye ba no moma yem hye adesua ase tumi ase authority ase se ne be ya nyame epagya yen ya ye bre ne mu a ebe ye ene onyam hye because nyame si ahanta for kwan na odom ahombrasefo I think the only thing between me and say Juma we enya about suffer me suffer penny enya about obibia mabusuani anasasore we so we enya about Christo Yesu ene ni din enti man basem beji din onso ambassador beji din Christo agi din nyina dada enti me yemfa nyina ya ho den the resource aye wo yemfa so nyame because anytime se see ano ewe ne bre na so anytime kra enti dia wo ye no nyani na ye ni yie nyame shira
amen anytime also for aka seminar me de Christo agi din ma mo pedin na ji edi aye de mo pe no mo ntom bo ase e Kristo aye adwuma ni na ewi dada aha na mere be me yakwan na di enne time pastors nasi ba ye ni osofo nkomo ye ntwa so na me ya adoma da se me e be sanso na osofo ahia ni ye na twetwe nkomo ni nkomo no bibiri wo ho embre ni nti da se ne the same time and you also for person so twinkomo say efi na wa login on Facebook here time pastors Inspire TV yakopon shira say wa like here page no like here na share your programs na ye ni bi from Monday up to Friday Saturday so the music and so editwa so the more me da oma asom mu aye di dwuma de ne bro nyina ase aseda yakopon shira our cameraman ba kope edi editor ba kope Kwame Adams general manager assistant general manager me da obi bia lase ya papa ono so o ma ya kwan se ene ne emetwetwe nkomo wona brabo mu nsem o Kristo ya papa asofo Daniel kwa akon wawale srema mana mo testing messages na mesrew sofo awale anadwo obebompa ye obeda na yere nchen srew obi ka say wonim na nya no ne ye ka osofo wa tinyame ya adoma asoni DJ Christian Life Mission ewo asabutwe Zoom Lion Zoom Lion head office area wa do ma wo se signboard nisi wo ye ho mo ye mfa picture nto so ma bisa so for picture da so na so for picture na so wo do bo se Christian Life Mission ye the cross attention because we are ye di cross no so yakopon shira no nyo kase medin e de bosheba sakode Isaac wo shire me krom na afre mo 2 4 na me 5 cities macro bye bye.